They're coming over to us. Look at that. Guys, they're heading right for the whales too, so we turn with these dolphins. Oh man. You guys hear that? That's the dolphin talking right there.
I cannot believe this. I wonder if the what?
Look at that.
Whoa.
Giving us the shot of a lifetime. I have the hydrophone out. We're going to get up here in the front part of this pond here and join the group. And if we play our cards right, we'll be part of the Common Dolphins here. These guys, once again, they eat all kinds of little bait fish out here. But this gives you an idea of just how many we support. 450,000 common dolphin overcoats. More than any other place in the United States, one of the highest concentrations in the world. To put that in perspective, west of Italy, in the Mediterranean Sea, there are now only 200 common dolphins. They're not endangered worldwide, but their numbers have dwindled quite a bit from when this